Number 1. 1977 Chevrolet Camaro Type LT two-door coupe, $4,000, Northwest Valley, Peoria, Arizona. This second-generation 1977 Chevrolet Camaro Type LT is listed for $4,000 in Peoria, Arizona. It has a V8 engine, automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and 125,000 miles. Features include power steering, power brakes, air conditioning, a factory tachometer, and a rear spoiler. The car has been sitting and only starts with a battery and fuel added to the carburetor, so it needs mechanical work. The body is solid from its Arizona history, but the interior shows sun damage. It has a clean title and good restoration potential. Number 2. 1951 Studebaker Commander two-door sedan, $3,500, Daly City, California. This 1951 Studebaker Commander two-door sedan is offered for $3,500 in Daly City, California. It is equipped with a 232 cubic inch V8 engine paired with a manual transmission and rear-wheel drive. The car has been non-operational for several years, although the engine still turns over and reportedly ran when last parked. The body is described as being in decent condition with no major rust or damage. With a clean title and classic early 1950s styling, it presents a solid restoration project. Number 3. 1967 Mercury Cougar XR7, $4,000, Cool, California. Listed for $4,000 in Cool, California, this 1967 Mercury Cougar XR7 is powered by a V8 engine with a mild camshaft and Edelbrock 4-barrel carburetor paired with an automatic transmission. The odometer shows 65,000 miles. The engine runs well, but the car needs restoration work. The paint is worn and the interior needs attention, though the body is mostly straight with only minor rust in the passenger floor. With a clean title, this Cougar has solid project potential. Number 4. 1966 Chevrolet Impala 4-door sedan, $4,000, Henderson, Nevada. This 1966 Chevrolet Impala 4-door sedan is listed for $4,000 in Henderson, Nevada. It retains its original 327 cubic inch V8 engine and automatic transmission with 45,450 miles shown on the odometer. The car runs, but needs new tires and brake lines before regular driving. The body shows rust from sitting and will require repair. With 3 previous owners and a clean title, this Impala could be a worthwhile restoration project. Number 5. 1987 Ford Crown Victoria LX two-door, $6,000, Fort Mohave, Arizona. This 1987 Ford Crown Victoria LX two-door coupe is offered for $6,000 in Fort Mohave, Arizona. Powered by a 5.0-liter V8 engine with automatic transmission, the car shows 53,000 miles. It runs well, and the air conditioning works. The exterior is in good condition, and the car includes documentation dating back to its original purchase in 1987. As the final year for the two-door Crown Victoria, it is a relatively uncommon survivor. Number 6. 1986 Pontiac Fiero SE Gold Edition, $6,500, Vacaville, California. Offered for $6,500 in Vacaville, California, this 1986 Pontiac Fiero SE Gold Edition features a 2.8-liter V6 engine and 4-speed manual transmission. The engine and clutch have around 42,000 miles, while the odometer shows 297,000 miles. The car runs and drives very well and has a near-perfect interior with power accessories, air conditioning, and a sunroof. It also received a recent repaint and includes extra parts, making it a strong example of Pontiac's mid-engine 1980s sports car. Number 7. 1962 Oldsmobile Starfire Coupe, $5,000, Huntington Beach, California. This 1962 Oldsmobile Starfire Coupe is listed for $5,000 in Huntington Beach, California. It is powered by a 394 cubic inch V8, producing about 345 horsepower, paired with an automatic transmission. The odometer shows 96,000 miles. The car has been partially restored with a new interior, upgraded ignition, new brakes, and new suspension components. It runs and drives well, but still needs a headliner and some final assembly work. Number 8. 1955 Ford two-door, $8,000, Rockdale, Texas. This 1955 Ford two-door is offered for $8,000 in Rockdale, Texas. The car has been modified with a 350 cubic inch V8 engine and automatic transmission and is reported to run and drive. The odometer is not working, so the mileage is unknown. With its classic 1950s styling and updated drivetrain, it could serve as a good foundation for a custom build or cruiser. Number 9. 1969 Cadillac Coupe Deville, $11,000, Watsonville, California. Listed for $11,000 in Watsonville, California, this 1969 Cadillac Coupe Deville is powered by the original 472 cubic inch V8 engine and turbo hydromatic automatic transmission. The odometer reads 70,250 miles, though it was replaced recently. The car has received new brakes, a new fuel pump, and a new water pump. The interior has new vinyl upholstery, though minor issues remain with the horn, windshield wipers, air conditioning, and fuel gauge. Number 10. 1940 Buick Special Sedan, $14,500, Pahrump, Nevada. This 1940 Buick Special Sedan is listed for $14,500 in Pahrump, Nevada, and shows 30,600 miles on the odometer. It is powered by a straight 8-cylinder engine with a 3-speed manual transmission on the steering column. The car is mostly original and reportedly starts, runs, and drives well. As a pre-war American automobile with classic styling, this Buick represents a rare opportunity to own a functioning vehicle from the early 1940s.